Drivers behind the line, starting in 3, 2, 1, rebuild.
We've got action from all of our robots. Super Duper Robotics crossing the field to fill their hopper up before they start scoring. They get over and start unloading their hopper into the goal. A stream of fuel comes from them. And they're going back out for more to gather a few more fuel before the autonomous period ends. And coming out of Auton, your scores are 63-10 in favor of your Blue Alliance. That might be our highest score out of Autonomous today. We see Super Duper trying to score in this interstitial period. Just get a few more fuel in. The Red Alliance hub is now active, and you can see Shamrock Robotics putting in some fuel. All the Blue Alliance bots are funneling fuel into their zone for their next open period. We have Olympus Robotics trying to shuttle fuel into their area. And we see that both 234 and Super Duper Robotics are getting ready for their next period. We've got some defense being played down on the end of the field by team 3559. With a minute 30 left, your score is 171-12. Super Duper and Cyber Blue putting up mountains of fuel as the Red Alliance has their turn. We've got both Blue bots trying to shuttle fuel along. They're running out of fuel to shoot in their own area, so they've got to gather some more in these next 10 seconds before they can go launch again. And the Blue Alliance hub is now active. You can tell because the air is filled with fuel being fired by 234 and Super Duper Robotics. We got Super Duper beached on some fuel as Super Duper gathers a little bit more fuel to fire. The Blue Alliance can score 100 more fuel if they want to get the next ranking point. Super Duper unloading their hopper, bringing them ever closer. They're only 50 fuel away from getting the second supercharged ranking points that we have not seen today. 234 looking to score those last little fuel. Super Duper joining them. They have now reached the supercharged ranking point, scoring 360 fuel. And that's the end of those scores. Your winner is the Blue Alliance with an event high score of 373 points. The Blue Alliance takes home 5 of your 6 ranking points, both the energized and supercharged RP.